Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Gonna jump right in with an install video for one of my older items, the Bauer modular to Kobalt CaseStack adapters. Here's what to expect from the inserts and alignment brackets. Knowing Bauer folks tend to be savvy for good products without breaking the bank, I figured less was more with this product, and I've been able to keep costs down for all of you as well. We have the two main left and right inserts for the main tabs, and then we have a front and back insert for alignment pins on the underside of the case stack. First thing we're going to do is to put one of the lateral brackets on top of the Bauer box in the center rear indentation. This one should hug the inner walls of the Bauer ridges. Then put the front one on towards the outer edge and make sure it's easy to reach. We'll adjust this one soon. Next, we'll take our case stack box and our side inserts and gently press them into the case stack tabs, semi-locking it in place. Make sure the Decolo logo is face up, then go ahead and do the same to the other side. Now that all the brackets are in, and none totally fell out at all, go ahead and align the case stack as if it were to fit perfectly on the Bauer box. Line up the sides and close the locking latches as intended. Once the red sliders are in, we're done. And for a few minutes of time and sub 20 bucks, now our boxes work together properly. As usual, thank you for your support and for watching. For anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.